guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, we'll be using my medium soft gel square full nail covers. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and you guys know these are my absolute favorite shape. They're just the perfect length to me. If they're a little bit too long for you, you can always go in and cut them down. I did cut them down in this video. But as you can see, I'm just going in and sizing them out, making sure that they fit my nails wall to wall. So for the application, we're going to be using my solid nail tip glue gel. This is also one of my absolute favorites. The texture is kind of like a putty texture, and it's basically a nail glue, but it's just in a solid state. And I absolutely love this product. It's so much easier than doing polygel or gel extension nails. Definitely easier than doing acrylic. But I'm just going in and scooping out a pea-sized amount and applying that to my nail. So this process is super easy. You guys have seen me do this a bajillion times. So I'm just going to go in and apply all 4 fingers, and then I always cure my thumbs separately. So here's what the nails are looking like. Literally took me 2 to 3 minutes tops to get all 5 fingers done. But I'm going in and now I'm sizing my nails down. I'm using this nail trimmer with a sizing mechanism. This is available on Amazon, and I'll leave a link to it down below. If you're new to doing nails, or if this isn't in your nail collection, get it because you definitely need it. It's an essential. Now I'm going in with an 80/80 grit nail file, and I filed my nails down. I didn't show it in this video just because cut out for some reason, so I apologize for that. But for the nail design, we're going to be using this Nails Cat rubber nail polish. This is in the shade Frenchy, and this is one of my favorites. I'm going in and applying this as if it were a regular gel polish, and I did do 2 coats. I love her polishes. You guys know that they're super versatile. You can use them as a builder base, or you could just use them as a regular gel polish as I'm doing here. But I'm just going to go in, do 2 coats of this, and as always, I do my thumb separately. So after you finish applying that, I'm going to go in with my Model 1's top coat. This top coat is their regular top coat. This is not their no wipe top coat. And I'm just applying a thin layer of that and curing. So for our nail design today, we're going to be doing a 3D flower. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's super easy. You want to go in and use this product, which is available for purchase on Amazon. You can get a whole pack in like a whole bunch of different colors. I think it comes in like 10 colors, but this is like a molding, I believe they call it a molding gel. I'll be sure to have all the info down below for what it's called. But I'm just going in, as you can see, and I just pull out a very small amount, and then you can go in with a nail dotter tool and a line art brush, and you kind of just make like lines, make like little leaves. I'm just doing a flower, and I did also dip my brush in some alcohol, and the alcohol just kind of makes it slip and just makes it a little bit easier to maneuver this molding gel. But I love YouTube, so you can like kind of see the method that I'm doing, because it's kind of hard to explain. But as you can see, I'm using a very small amount of this product. You don't need a lot to make a flower at all, but I just take a small amount, roll it in between my pointer and thumb finger, and then I apply it to my nail. I did go in and redo my flower after this because I kind of wanted it a bit flatter. But if you kind of want that flat 3D look instead of such a big, you know, a thicker or a bigger 3D flower, after you roll it around in a ball on your finger and apply it to your nail, you just press it down a little bit, and then you can go in and really perfect the shape. So as I said, it's kind of hard to explain how to do this method, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch me work. Also, these molding gels are super duper affordable, or maybe they're called 3D nail art gels. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I'll be sure to have the link to it down below, but they're super affordable. And as you can see, I'm using a very small amount, so even though the jar is very small, it's gonna last you a super long time. So I'm going to add a gem, a little rhinestone in the middle of my nail. I'm going in with this drill point rhinestone adhesion gel, and then I'm going in and applying a small little rhinestone. You do have to cure this, and I absolutely love this drill point pen. It's another essential. You definitely need it in your nail kit if you do a lot of rhinestone application, because it just gives you that perfect precision, and it's super easy to use. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a cuticle oil. This is my cuticle oil in my Etsy shop, but I am currently sold out. They will be back in stock shortly. So here's the final design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned how to make a super easy 3D flower. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will be sure to catch you in my next video.